from a mortgage broker point of view, looking at, I'm a mortgage broker, so you're right, a first-time buyer. I specialise in first-time buyer mortgages. I specialise in buy-to-let. I specialise in this. You're going to struggle to find a niche, aren't you? You're going to, like in the world that we're in today with mortgage brokers I'm a protection specialist. I'm a business protection specialist. You are going to come up against competition that are niche in your world. Yeah. It's then what your differential is within that niche as well. So you've got to drill that. So it's all right going, yeah, specialize in first time buyers. So the issue is this, I offer this. You've got to drill down and really sort of think a lot more about what your offering is and what your differential is, rather than just going, yeah, I'm a first time buyer specialist. What does that actually mean? What does a first time buyer specialist actually mean? And how do you differ to the rest of the first time buyer specialists that are out there in the market? Because you're a national sales manager for one of the main lenders. You get to meet mortgage brokers every single day, Matt. And you will hear the stories and listen to people and listen to because that's what you do. And it's no different, is it? It's like you've got to look at what is really your true differential.
It absolutely is. And do you know what's really good to hear this example come to light is like the local business networking events that you can go to. They call them BNIs. You get that local event. And if you've got a couple of people that work in the same industry, might not be profession, but industry, you can hear how maybe their differentiator comes across in that room, because you and I know if I go there as a mortgage broker, I know that everyone in that room will know a mortgage broker. They just will. So how do I then discuss what my differentiator is for their potential referrals, their own family and friends themselves? And it always hark back down to, right, I think of this example, and you've got to be a differentiator to every pot of customers you want to serve. So you mentioned there about a niche. People usually say, right, when you're trying to build a brand, you're trying to maybe scale a business, niche down in a particular area, grow that, move across, right? If you've not heard that, that's something that happens in marketing quite a lot, especially in like the affiliate marketing space. But people tend to niche down, capture that, move across. Then you kind of capture more niches in one particular area. So in mortgages, you're absolutely right. You can focus on first-time buyers, right? I'm getting that capture point. But if if you market yourself as a first-time buyer expert and a big portfolio buy-to-let landlord expert, they don't complement. So You have to create that brand yourself, right? Via different ways of marketing. You might have different maybe capture tools for your inquiries as a broker. And I won't get too technical yet, but basically you have to create that brand. And how do you do it? Simple. Find out what the issue, the customers' issues are. Find out what they are, provide answers to that issue, but then really step out and go, right, how am I different to all these people here? And then market that. Now, some great tools that help that come to life, because people are probably listening here now thinking, right, that's great. I know what the issues are in the mortgage market. I know how to kind of offer that because that's what I do. But I just need help to finding out how I'm different, right? And actually, you've just got to understand what consumers want. That's the differentiator. It's dead simple. What do different types of consumers actually want? And for me, from my old background, working in telephony many years back, I worked on sociable hours, 12 till 9 and stuff like that. And I found a lot of my customers, telephony based, were in the evening, 7 till 9. So guess what I did? Focus my time on my outbound campaign in the evening, because I knew my customers that wanted my service were not available any other time of the day. I can give you the best offer you would ever seen, but you can't get hold of me and I can't get hold of you. So what's the point of me focusing my efforts on that first 5 hours of the day or 7 hours of the day? So I understood that niche. I looked at my consumers' issues. I found out what I was offering, and I just pitched myself as a bit different. Why am I different? I'm offering the same as all these people over there, but I'm available for you 7 till 9 every evening, where others are not. That's my differentiator. It was boring, but it was simple. So I think the big thing there is, well, how do you market that? Because there's so many different people that will tell you so many different things. I mean, you would have seen people like, I don't know, promoting get more capture on Facebook ads, using YouTube, bespoke, dare I say, leaflet drop-in, still a big thing, to be fair. It can be very cost effective as a startup, but for me, if you take that 3-pillar service and pump that into a free social media platform yourself, I hate the word guarantee, because you know what, there's always red tape. You'll find success if you market your differentiator right.